How do you make a new element? Ideally with a shirt on, an element is determined by the number of protons it has, which if you remember from school is this thingy here. If there's only one proton, then it's hydrogen. 6 protons, carbon. And as you go down to the heavier elements, they become harder to find in nature because it takes extreme events in the universe to make something heavy. Until the 1950s, we only knew of elements under 100. Above 92 protons, and most have to be made in a lab. Those need a particle accelerator or nuclear reactions to be manhandled into existence. Unfortunately, they don't last more than a second. And as you add protons, they get harder to make and unstable. So some people ask, what's the point? Well, there's the island of stability idea. It's a theoretical region in the periodic table made of super heavy elements that might be stable enough to work with and could help us create new materials to work with so we could build new insane things. For reference, Tony Stark's new element had a proton number somewhere in the 90s because his character was written in the 1960s and they didn't know much about it. But I can tell you, there aren't enough magnets in this room and too much radiation blasting around for him to be wearing a tank top. So far, the farthest we've gotten is 118, and there are a few ideas on how to make the infamous element 120, but only time will tell if we can make something the universe hadn't thought of.